we're talking about a possible medical malpractice issue for the law in you. Here are attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. They're award-winning. They have more gold medals than you'd ever imagine. Guys, great to see you today.
I'm surprised Greg made it today. He was up late watching the couples figure skating.
And I'm surprised he didn't wear his gold medals for all the things he's won.
Loving the Olympics.
We do love the Olympics, and we love your questions, and we're here to help Jason and Clark Summit today. My mom went to the ER with pain in her head and neck. She waited for 4 hours. They told her she had a sprained neck. They did no tests, and the next day she had a stroke. Can we do anything?
Well, Jason, you certainly can. The first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to get yourself to a law firm that handles medical negligence cases. In a case, we do it all the time. In a case like this, the most important thing to do, get all of your records. Those records are going to need to be analyzed by an expert to determine whether, in fact, there is medical negligence or not. But very simply, if your mom's at the ER, she's complaining of head and neck pain, and they don't do any tests to rule out her, I'm assuming she had some other symptoms as well of potentially having a stroke, then you very well could have a medical negligence case for your mom.
And Ed's right. You really have to go get those records yourself, because we've talked about this in the past. It's better if you go get the records directly from the hospital on behalf of your mom, get an authorization, have her sign it, whatever you need to do so you could get the records, and then you could bring them to a law firm and we could take a look at them. Because the problem is, if we send out requests sometimes, we found that the records sometimes are different. We've caught that a couple times with some files. So get the records, get them to somebody who knows what they're doing, and then they should get a team of experts to look at this and evaluate the case and figure out what went wrong, and hopefully they can help you.
All right, some great advice from award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. For our viewers that may need your legal advice, what's the best way to reach you?
They could call us at 570-714-HURT or see us on the web at 714hurt.com. And don't forget the hotline.
Greg won't be answering the hotline today because he's going to be working on his ski jumping for the Olympics. Go to our Facebook page, put a question on. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
Boy, Greg is an amazing man. He really does it all.
Everything.
All
He's a renaissance man.
I'm more interesting than the world's most interesting man.
You are. You should take over for a spokesperson for that commercial. Well, anyway, if you need some legal advice, best way to do it is head to pahomepage.com or give us a call on the hotline.